Hi everybody, I have created a speeding reaction game with the help of these tools. The main tool that we were focusing on will be the LED matrix. To run this, I have downloaded the Arduino software, of course, by using some codes. We're just going to test the software that I've made. So we click on the serial monitor just to show how it goes. And here we'll play this game. This is how it works. As soon as we see these lines coming to the bottom row, I'm gonna click, you see, and here you'll see that the game has started and I've earned 200 points, and I keep doing that again, see it gets faster, and again, and the last time I didn't catch it. So what the result was, lame, meaning that I didn't catch it, so I basically lost. So now we're gonna close this and stop everything, and now we're gonna run the processing and open up the VJ. Here I'm gonna do the same thing, play the game one more time. We'll see the result. See, it gets to the next level that I've entered on the code, and again, each time I catch it, it goes a level up again. And every time I go up to the next level, the final stage will be a jackpot. Thank you very much for watching. I'm gonna start by explaining the Arduino code. As you can see here, the first paragraph, this explains this is array which defines the speed of game, and also this variable holds current level number from 0 to 6. Here, this is a setup function. It initializes our game. Here it opens communication with the computer. Here we are telling Arduino what to do when the button is pressed. This function loops over and over. If user wins, let's run function underscore function if, and if it's turned down, then turn down row which was turned on before. Void winner underscore f. This function is just an animation which goes when user wins. While bracket 1 in bracket, just below that it says it lights up all rows in LED matrix. Here delay 100, it just delays and it waits for some time, and also turns down all rows in LED matrix here. Void pressed bracket and close bracket. Basically what that means is that what is going on when the button is pressed, and this prevents it from pressing multiple times in a short time, and also which was here, if global, and just below that serial.printing basically means that we are sending signal to computer. And here, if level is greater than 5, then user wins, winner is equal to true. If not, which is here, it communicates to the computer sending the user is lame. Here I will be explaining the processing stuff. The first line is basically import stuff from a library, and here this basically it creates an object of serial class and robots. Void setup is the this is the setup function. Everything is inside will be done only once. It is used to initialize stuff that we need. And string port name is equal to string.list. Basically, this piece of code tries to create a new robot which will try to emulate our keystrokes, but if it fails to set up robot, it exits whole program. And the next line, serial port, this line is searching for our Arduino connection, and here we're opening connection with our Arduino board with a speed of 9600 bits per second. This function loops over and over, just like Arduino loop functions. If my port are available, this statement is checking if new data is available from Arduino. String in buffer. If there is something sent from Arduino, then we're trying to save it into in buffer variables. Below that, the statement checks if data we received wasn't empty, which is the string val equal new string. However, if it was empty, then we're taking time from what is expected from a white space character. This is what trim stands for, and save its value to val variables. Now that we have pure data from Arduino, we're checking if that data is equals to start. So if a robot will unpress all keys to clear screen in VJ, and if data is equal to winner, then our robot press key 1 and release all our data. Same goes for the other values. Same goes for the other values. So one final thing which I wanted to do a quick review on the hardware. So for this project I use Arduino 8x8 LED matrix and push button to make little speed reaction game, and I found a tutorial online on how to connect LED matrix to Arduino. And Arduino board is reading input from push button. Every time user pushes a button, Arduino sends data about current game level. The game is to press the button in right moment. LED matrix is displaying one row at a time. This row travels all along the matrix up and down. Processing is software that links between Arduino and Visual Jockey, because VJ software that can't talk to the Arduino directly. What processor does is that it reads some data from Arduino process, and